Hey friends, welcome back. Today I have another homeschool video for you, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we made our weather chart. This is my son's favorite part of our morning routine. He loves getting to talk about the weather. If you make a weather chart like this, be sure to show me. You can tag me or send it to me on Instagram. I love seeing all the different ones everyone comes up with. I actually got this idea from a few other moms on YouTube, and everyone's has turned out really great. The kids love ours, and they really enjoy dressing this cute little panda you'll see in a minute. I got all the supplies from Target, and it was honestly so easy to make, and we love it. Target actually sold this entire weather set, which made it really easy to piece together. It's the perfect addition to our morning routine with school, and the kids are just loving it. The first thing that I did was laminate whatever I could fit in my laminator, and I only ordered one size of laminating packs, so for future projects I'll definitely have to order larger ones because I couldn't fit everything in the laminator. I think I got everything but like the two bigger pieces, this one and another one. So after laminating, I cut everything out, and this part took the longest and was super tedious, so I did that before filming just to save time. Okay, so after I cut everything out, I decided where I wanted everything to go, and then I used tape and Velcro to put the items in place. I put Velcro on the pieces that we would be moving and changing out every day, and tape on the ones that could just stay in one place. For the next part of the video, you're just going to see me apply all of the Velcro to the back of the pieces and then place them where I want them to go on the board. This part took a little bit of time, but not nearly as much time as cutting everything out. It was actually kind of relaxing putting this together, and I really enjoyed it. You will see me mess up a couple of times. I put the wrong piece of the Velcro on some of them and had to rip them back off, but that's okay. It turned out really well in the end. So I'll put some music in the background and you guys can watch me put the chart together.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone?
Okay, so here we have the finished chart. So every day we'll see which weather sticker it is. We'll put that here. Then, do you like that? And then we'll say what it is for the weather and then what it feels like. We'll dress Panda for the day. We'll talk about the season, and then they can choose Panda's clothes. So that is my weather chart. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have an awesome school year.